5 small words to ask and know. Help your English start to grow. Ask for things or place or time. Use them well, you'll sound just fine. What is this? What do you see? What is that in front of me? Ask for things, ideas too. What is what you want to view? Where are you? Where's the place? Where's my book? I lost the trace. Ask for places near or far, where we'll show you where things are. When is school? When do we go? When's the time? I need to know. Ask for time now or then. Say it clearly, use when.
Why are you late? Why did you run? Why so quiet? Why no fun? Ask for reasons, answers true. I will show the reason to you.
Who is she? Who are you? Who's that friend you always knew? Ask for people, names, it's true. Use this word, the word is who.
What? Where? When? Why? Who?
Now the questions come to you.
Things or places, time or name.
Learn them once you win the game. What for things and where for place. When for time we want to trace. Why for reasons strong and true. Ask for people, that is who.
Say it now. What? What? Ask for things. What? What? Where are you? Where? Find the place. Where? Where? When we go. When? Ask for time. When? When? Why so late? Why? Ask the reason why. Who is there? Who? Ask for people. Who?
5 small words, now you know. Use them fast or use them slow. Ask your questions clear and true. English now is fun for you.